Welcome to this week's Monday Minutes. My name is Kelly.
And my name is Jessie, and this week we're going to show you some of the features in the batch item modification tool. Now, Kelly and I are getting excited about spring. We're thinking about gardening, one of our favorite topics, and we are going to show you how to make some changes to your item records in the system. And we're using gardening to show it off.
Gardening. So in our imaginary library, we have collected more gardening tools. We've gotten a lot of donations. So we are going to move the location of our garden tools in Koha to a shed. So we're going to change the location of all those. We are also going to change the not for loan status. A lot of them are not for loan because we were getting ready to roll this out. So we've got a couple changes and we can do them all at the same time through batch item modification. We are going to start at our favorite search, the item search. As you all probably know that we talk about this nonstop. The item search will give us a barcode file, and that's going to be useful when we use batch item modification. So currently, all our garden tools live in the atrium. So we are going to grab everything that lives in the atrium, hit that search button. We see we have 187 entries. And right here, we could go ahead and grab all of those barcodes. And that's the key to batch item modification is the barcodes. Okay, now we're going to head over to tools and use that batch item modification.
Now, Kelly, can I ask a question?
Mm-hmm.
Could we have also run a report to say, show us everything that's in?
Absolutely. And we can do that at the end and show it that works the same way.
Okay.
So I'm going to grab a barcode file, the one I just grabbed from item search, but you can see you could just scan a whole bunch of barcodes in there. And as Jessie said, you could do it from the reporting module. Hit that continue. And what I love about this, it's going to give me all the things that were in this barcode file. I'm going to see the titles. I'm going to see a lot of information. I could make this screen smaller if I got rid of some of these fields. You can see it's kind of slowing in if I wanted to get a better look at this. I can also uncheck things if I say, oh, I didn't even mean to, this shouldn't even be there. I don't want to move this. But once we scroll down, making everybody dizzy, I'm sure. Now I have the ability to edit any of these fields or remove the value of any of these in this field. So in the case of the not for loan, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. So whatever value was there, I'm going to say just clear it out. I want it to be available. And then I'm going to pick my shelving location of garden shed. So whatever, and let me scroll up again. Whatever they were in, garden atrium, they're going to all move to the garden shed. Now you can see I'm doing two at a time. I could do multiple. I could actually do a non-public note that they were donated, or there's a waiver to sign. Anything I wanted to add to this, I could go ahead and do that.
Oh, I like that idea.
What should we do, Jessie?
Let's do patron must sign a waiver before.
I should probably put that as a public note.
Yeah. Oh, great idea. Kelly.
Thanks, Jessie. Okay. And then we can go ahead and save that.
So this is just so helpful. Now we've taken 180 plus items, and we've quickly moved everything from our atrium to our shed since we're growing. We can add things in like a note, which great idea. Again, that's awesome. And now these things are ready to go, and we can start marketing and telling our community that we have these robust tools available for gardening in the library.
I know. I wish my library lended this stuff. So I can actually see what's been changed. So if I come back up to this top, I can see everything lives in the shed. I can also see there's my public note. Patrons should sign a waiver. But let's go ahead and look at it in full view. And there we go. So we've moved into the shed and we have that public note option.
Wonderful.
This is fantastic. And it's really just a great tool. Oh, we're going to go ahead and do one more way. We're going to go ahead in reports because Jessie had a great idea to show you how to do it in reports. We're going to see my mad
SQL skills.
SQL skills. Let's do, I could grab everything if I wanted to, because that's how great I am at my SQL skills. But regardless, I now have that drop down option that says grab everything and send it over to the batch item modification. So, when you run a report, you should see this if you are grabbing something as a barcode, which would help in your batch item modification, or your bibliographic number, which would assist in the batch record modification.
Now, Kelly, what's the key to having this in your report that populates this field? Would it be the barcode item number?
Yep, barcode. And for record changes, you would want the bibliographic number. Absolutely. Okay. So I grabbed everything, which allowed me to have all these choices.
Okay, perfect tips.
Yeah, so this is just a great tool. We hope you're not doing anything manually such as this, and you're using this tool, but if you're not, now you can have a good time.
All right, have a wonderful week, and spring can't get here fast enough.
And sign up for the Koha Community Spring Challenge. Yes. I mean, we just got snow, but hopefully by April 1st. And we'll put details in the blog post.
Have a wonderful week.
Bye.
Bye.